Our mini car is the smallest RC car in the world with proportional steering. It even has working headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. Use your smartphone to drive this car. Easy app controls, including tap to steer and touch screen inputs that let you drive with a car-like precision. Race your friends or construct an obstacle course to crash through.
My name is Edward and I'm from California. I've always been crazy about technology and design.
My name is Nathan. I'm an electronics engineer from Taiwan and I love intellectual challenges.
We co-founded Quantow with a dream that we could use technology and design to connect people. We have helped our customers start their businesses with creative and competitive products.
The mini car is only 2 inches long, uses Bluetooth 4.1, has a 15-meter range, comes in 3 different designs, and has 3 different sensor packages.
I looked all over for a very small, very precise model car, and I found a few high-grade models in Germany and Japan, but for a very high price. Even then, we found that playability was limited by the available controls. As we developed a micro Bluetooth module for our customers, we realized the answer was right in front of us. Bluetooth 4.1 gives us long range, uses low power, and has nearly unlimited inputs and outputs. Please support our vision so we can bring more sophisticated technology to micro-scale models. Thank you.